What is a bookmaker in betting, meaning and how it works? A bookmaker is the business behind many bets, but the role is often misunderstood. This breaks down what a bookmaker does, how odds are offered, where margins appear, and why the bookmaker is not just a neutral scorekeeper. A bookmaker, in simple words. A bookmaker, sometimes called a bookie, is a person or business that accepts bets on events. The bettor risks a stake. If the selection wins, the bookmaker pays according to the odd. But a bookmaker is not simply trying to guess who will win a match. Why the bookmaker is different from a betting exchange? A traditional bookmaker usually stands on the other side of the bet. If the bettor wins, the bookmaker pays. If the bettor loses, the bookmaker profits from that stake. With a bookmaker, the business is usually responsible for setting or offering the odds and managing the risk behind them. Odds are prices, not promises. Odds show how much a winning bet could return. But odds are not just neutral predictions. High odds can look exciting, but they usually mean the outcome is harder to achieve. A bigger possible return does not make a bet safe. The bookmaker margin is the part many people miss. A bookmaker normally builds a margin into the odds. That does not mean a bettor can never win. But the bookmaker's business is not designed to give the average bettor guaranteed profit over time. This is one of the clearest reasons sports betting should not be treated as income. How bookmakers manage risk. A bookmaker does not just publish odds and leave them untouched. Adjusting odds is one way to manage that risk. So odds are not frozen opinion. They are moving prices inside a risk management system. How betting markets are created. A bookmaker can offer many types of markets. Other markets may involve point spreads, handicaps, total goals, total points, player statistics, team statistics, futures, props, or live betting options. But more markets do not mean less risk. A player statistic can fail because of an injury. What happens after a bet is placed? When someone places a bet with a bookmaker, they accept the odds and rules available at that moment. The stake is the amount risked. A postponed event, abandoned match, player withdrawal, stat correction, or rule-specific condition can affect settlement. A beginner should never assume every bet works the same way just because it appears on the same screen. Why different bookmakers can show different odds. Two bookmakers can offer different odds on the same event. That does not automatically mean one of them is wrong. They may be managing different risk. It may simply reflect a different risk position or a different view from that bookmaker at that moment. Why bookmakers are regulated. Bookmakers are regulated in many places because betting involves real money and consumer risk. Regulation can affect account verification, age checks, advertising rules, responsible gambling tools, payment handling, dispute processes, and how customer funds are managed. In others, it may be restricted or illegal. A betting website being visible online does not automatically mean it is legal or safe in a specific place. Common mistakes about bookmakers. One common mistake is thinking bookmakers only try to predict results. They do make probability assessments, but they also manage margin, demand, exposure, and risk. Another mistake is thinking odds are the same as guaranteed probability. Bookmakers operate with data, pricing systems, risk controls, and market experience. Responsible gambling matters more than the mechanics. Understanding bookmakers can help explain how betting works, but it does not make betting safe. Warning signs include betting more than planned, feeling anxious when not betting, trying to win back losses quickly, or no longer enjoying sports unless money is involved. Responsible gambling tools may include deposit limits, spending limits, time limits, cooling off periods, self-exclusion options, and support resources. The simple way to understand a bookmaker. A bookmaker is a business that accepts bets and offers odds. It creates markets, sets prices, takes stakes, pays winning bets, keeps losing stakes, manages risk, and builds a margin into the betting system. But if the odds, rules, settlement, margin, or possible loss are not clear, the safest decision is not to bet.